Unfortunately, all good things have to come to an end. And you go from this to this nasty weather. Ugh. Box has been sitting in my garage for over a month now. Went to Hawaii on a short little vacation and just been super busy. Just haven't been able to get to that just yet. All right, feel kind of bad. Just want to say shout out to FT Speed who did hook this up, and also big shout out to Kevin, formerly of Subi Speed and FT Speed, for actually connecting me with FT Speed in order to get some of these cool products for you guys to review. But all of this stuff, super duper easy to install. This is carbon fiber. Now, I will admit, guys, I honestly believe that you can get carried away when it comes to carbon fiber. You can put too much carbon fiber. You know, that wing that I installed a couple videos ago, I don't think that's going to stay. I just don't think that's for me. Also the fenders, which are carbon fiber, I was planning on getting them painted, but I think those are not gonna stay either. Either we're gonna go with a different route as far as those side fenders, or we'll just get those painted. But I don't know, I'm undecided, but I don't know. We will see. And you know what, let me just shut up. We're gonna install this stuff one by one. So if you guys are looking for any of this stuff, I will put a link down in the description below for everything that I have here. I don't know if we're gonna get everything installed today or in one video, but I'll do what I can. As soon as I start filming a video, start sprinkling. All right, so first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna prep the surface. Of course, we got some GYEON prep. Of course, you guys have seen me use that many times before. And this part is gonna get stuck on right here, right below the headlight. I think this is a really nice accent piece. You know, it's very subtle, but I think it does make a difference. You know, that's something that I noticed on my test fit when I did off camera. I wanna get all up in there. It's all about the prep when it comes to these lick and stick parts. And I think they come with a prep pad too, but I usually don't use those. Let's go ahead and test this out. Look at that, fits perfect. I like that. Yeah. Of course, I don't think I'm gonna show the other side. The other side's virtually identical. Let me line up this corner first. I'll just go around. Yeah, there you go. Sweet. It's a nice little accent piece for the headlights. It's awesome. I haven't seen this on any other Supra. Get you guys a closer look how it looks. I know it's very subtle on camera, but in person, I honestly think it does make a difference. So I know it's very, very subtle, but as you can see on the left, we have the carbon fiber accent, and on the right, it is not on there. So it gives you guys a good side-by-side comparison on how it looks. You know, it may not be for everybody, but I think it really looks good. All right, so next up, we got another exterior piece. This goes around the exterior window trim. So we got the front piece and we have the back piece right here. Super duper easy install. Like I said, we're not gonna need any tools. We have the prep stuff in here. We have a cleaner. And yeah, let's just go ahead and get with the install. We'll show you how it looks in just a minute. We got other pieces, by the way, inside the box. There are two two interior pieces. But one of those pieces I've been wanting for a very long time, and I think it looks really, really good. But in the meantime, let's go ahead and get this installed. All right, we're gonna continue this video inside because it started pouring rain. It's cold as hell and it's really, really windy too. So let me grab the next part for you guys. There's two parts, but the last one I'm gonna save for last because that part I'm actually really, really excited about. But this part, where's the other part? I could have swore there was more. Actually, there's three. Holy crap, there's three parts. So we have a carbon fiber trim piece. You can see right here, which goes around, I think it's the shifter bezel. You guys will see. But we have this right here, which goes around the little bezel. All carbon fiber, as you can see here. Double-sided sticky tape in the back. Awesome. Go ahead and get this installed. right, so that's done. We have 2 more interior pieces we need to install. These 2 actually, I've been really excited to install. So we saved the best for last. So we have the upper and lower speedometer cluster trim. So this one's in carbon fiber, as you can see, obviously. But this one right here, Alcantara. I am a big fan when it comes to Alcantara, when it comes to interior pieces. Now, in just my honest opinion, I think it just gives the interior more of a classy look. And as you can see on the underneath, it's carbon fiber also. So nice quality piece. Now the workmanship on this Alcantara piece looks really, really good. So not gonna lie to you guys on that one, but should be a 5-minute install. I'm gonna wipe everything down and I'll show you how it looks. There we go. Fits like a glove. That's right. Perfect fit. Look at that. Just wipe off my fingerprints off of there. Cool. Now for the icing on the cake. Fits perfect. That is awesome. Make sure we get contact with the double-sided tape. Push it down. Hold it there, and that's not going anywhere. Wow, I like the way that looks. I really do. Guys, a closer look at this window trim. Perfect fitment, no issues. Very subtle, but I really like just how it just adds a certain amount of cleanliness to the look instead of having that rubber trim. So let's get you guys a closer look at these eyelids. Perfect fitment, no issues at all. I really, really like it. Let's take a look at the interior. I really, really like how that looks. As you guys know, I'm a big fan of Alcantara in the interior. As you can see, silver stitching on that. I understand why they did it. It's to match the OEM stitching that is on the dash, as you can see. Very nice, very nice. But here's the thing, it doesn't match the red stitching that's on my steering wheel. It's kind of clashing. I don't know, maybe I should get that restitched with red stitching or just get a whole new steering wheel. I really, really like the steering wheel. It gives the interior a nice OEM plus look without being looking too, I don't know, way out there. I'll put a link down in the description below for this steering wheel also if you guys are interested. And also the carbon fiber pieces, nitpicky things I want to point out to you guys. One, I got a small gap right here. I should have installed this first before I installed this because it's kind of getting in the way of me installing this fully, but that's okay. I can do that off camera. I'm not going to bore you guys to death. Also, as you can see, the carbon fiber weaves are different. Also, the direction of the carbon fiber is a little different. I know that might bother some of you guys, but if I get these wrapped in Alcantara, that shouldn't be a big issue, or that won't be an issue in the future. But other than that, if you guys are interested in any of this stuff, I'll put a link down in the description below. And we got more stuff to come to the channel, just so little time. Anyways, that is it. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys supporting the channel. See you guys on the next one. Peace out, guys. All right, exciting news. Well, for me it is. New camera to the channel, the Sony FX30. I could have swore I ordered the FX3, but maybe not. Okay. Hopefully we get some better quality footage when we do cinematics with this camera versus the camera that I'm using right now, which is the Sony a6400. Awesome camera, but you know what? I think it's time to upgrade. It's been sitting here for 2 days now. Sweet, this thing is beefy. All right. I could have swore I ordered the FX3. Let me see how much I paid for this.